Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here today to talk to you about the Boston Whaler 2019 380 Outrage. What a phenomenal boat this is. This will go anywhere you want it to go. You can take this to the islands, no problem. Very versatile boat. It fishes well, also does the comfy stuff well as going to the beach, going to dinner, that type of thing. So let's start at the back of the boat. It's powered by the Mercury triple 350s. Ton of horsepower for this boat. Good get up and go. Top end right around 50 miles an hour. Plenty of power, plenty of speed. You got a live well in the back for fishing, very large live well. If you're not fishing, you got a nice bench seat. But if the day is where you are fishing, you just fold this up. You've got a nice leaning post right here for fishing, rod holders. And then as we move over to the port side, you've got a great feature. This dive door is fantastic. Some of them only go halfway up. This goes all the way down. So getting on and off the boat with the ladder that we have here, easy getting on, much easier than getting on from the back of the boat as well. And then when you're fishing, you can just, instead of bringing them over the gunnel, which is where most people lose the fish, you can drag it right through, right into the fish box, take the hook off, you're good. So nice comfy seat right here. You can fit 3 adults real comfortable. If you are fishing, you can just pull this out. What a great prep station right here. 4 drink holders, real teak up here. It's great. Got a sure shade up. You do have the sure shade that goes all the way out, covers the cockpit. If you don't want the sun, really nice feature. It goes out of the way when you're not using it. And then as we move to the helm area, this particular boat is brought in without any electronics. So you can pick your own electronics. You'll see there's plenty of room to put whatever you want on here. You can put the Simrad, the Garmin, you name it, Raymarine, all fits in here comfortable. And also the joystick. What a feature for this boat. It can do anything you want. It can go sideways into a slip. I have complete control of this boat in any condition. Great feature. Also has an auto heading, which is an autopilot, and it also has skyhook. I can set this up. If I'm waiting for a slip assignment, I can lock it into place. I can go around, do my lines and fenders, and when I'm all done, hit that, and in I go. Great for sunsets. Point the boat at the sunset, hit that, and go have a glass of wine up in the bow. You can't even hear the motors running in the back. Great feature. Down below, it's set up nicely. You can it entertains, so you can. It's got a TV down there. You can use the. You can sit there and just hang out if you want. Also, it converts into a double bed. So it's got that. It's got a little sink. It's got a stand-up head, which is nice in there. And as we move towards the bow, really nice lounge. You can put 3 adults out here. Very, very comfortable. Very large lounger. And underneath, this is loaded to the gills. It's got all your canvas. You can put your fenders. It's also got a sun top that actually does the front of this boat. Very nice cooler, but you've got everything you need, completely nice and neatly put away. And as we put it down, you'll see the table. It's a real teak table. Has a control on it. It'll automatic. It'll come up. But when you use it as a sun pad, it comes down. You've got the filler cushion right there. You got 2 lounges on both port and starboard, so really nice feature there. Nice, plenty of room up here. You can walk around the gunnel up here for fishing. You can walk all the way around the boat. It's really wide gunnel on it. The boat's pretty much got everything you want to do. It's going to go anywhere you want it to go. It's a whaler, so if you've got any questions or would like to make an appointment to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.